Our faculty members, staff, and administrators have planned the program with every consideration to make this a truly solemn and momentous event for all. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to STI College San Pablo's commencement exercises. Generational transformation, moving forward together toward a better future. Let us now witness the entrance of the senior high school department, starting with accountancy, business, and management. Graduating class from Information and Communications Technology.
For senior high school, it is composed of 83 boys and 116 girls with a total of 199.
This is a day of milestone and victory as we are celebrating this year's commencement exercises. But every milestone is victory has a story to tell. Introduce our commencement speaker and guest of honor. Please welcome the program head of IT department, Ms. Angelo A. Medina.
This victory is just as much as yours as theirs. Sa ating mga guro, salamat sa paghubog sa kanilang isipan at sa pagtitiwala sa kanilang potensyal at kakayahan. Batch of 2026, ang hamon sa inyo ay malinaw. Moving forward towards a better future. Ipakita niyo sa tao kung ano ang kayang gawin ng isang mabuting Pilipino.
Our appreciation is awarded to Mr. Lalpijo Jr. F. Flores in gratitude for his gracious response to be the commencement speaker of STI College San Pablo.
Abde Nicole Agnes.
Presenting the graduates of Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, starting with Abacan Justine Arcel Hernando. Abrenica Romaline Joy Melinas. Odier Daryl Joseph Estrada with honors. From miss and class to milestone, they are 5-star future ahead. Presenting hospitality and restaurant services, starting with Abarquez Mike Joseph Alejandro, bearing honors, Cookery NC2 and LBS NC2 passer. Senior high school and tertiary graduates, once again, mabuhay and congratulations.
Looking at all of us wearing our stools and even our medals, our diplomas, those things that signifies our graduation. And I can proudly say, we made it. Our journey in this education was never simply about learning destinations, itineraries, operations, and even those things in life. It was about discovering who we are while navigating the challenges of life. It was about learning to remain composed during turbulence, how to adapt when plans change, and how to continue moving forward even when the destination seems so far away.
May we call on our school assistant principal, Ms. Guillerma Aitahao, together with our program head of general education, Ms. Normalin V. Hernandez.
Bring only honor to my alma mater, my friends, and
The light of our candles will blend together to form a bright flame that reminds us of the bright tomorrow. May this candle light our way as we go on to a new phase of life.
evokes a sense of luxury, refinement, and the delicate beauty found in both nature and human relationships.
also symbolizing emotional healing, the comfort of love during tough times, and the desire to offer compassion to oneself or others. It can also represent the healing of broken hearts or the restoration of peace in troubled relationships.
Special wish. We all wish you a success. If you are ready, STIers, if you have your one wish with you, you can light off or turn off that candle.
Reach the heavens above. I can right what is wrong. I can sing just any song. I can dance. I can fly.
Because at this point, we are requesting you graduates to sing for the very last time with pride, joy, confidence, and conviction, the STI hymn. As we are now about to part ways, we would like to remind you graduates that we will still be having the group photo opportunity. We will be starting with the senior high school for strand and track here up on stage to be followed by our tertiary graduates. But once and for all, we would like to thank and appreciate to our guest of honor and speaker for this year's commencement exercises, generation of transformation, moving forward together toward a better future. San Pablo School Administrator, academic heads, program heads, staff, senior high school and college faculty members, maraming salamat po. Once again, graduates, congratulations! You have been another part of history of this alma mater. Aim high